Here, take this with you. You're gonna need it.
Elliot, what's going on? Have you guys made a move yet?
I'm sorry, you.
It's over.
Player 456. Did you have fun playing the hero?
I was worried for a second, glad you made it.